Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install Git on your Windows 11. So here I've already opened my browser and you can start by typing in the search column. Just type in a download Git like this. Click on enter and you'll find this page. So you can just click on this address right here, and here you can see this is a downloads page for Git, and here you can just click on what's the operating system that you use. So I'm using Windows. Just click on Windows here. Then here you can just choose the one that you want, so based on your operating system that you use. So I'm going to click on this 64-bit Git for Windows setup. I'm going to use this standalone installer. Click on the options, and after that this download page will be open. You can just click on start download, or you can also directly download it on your browser. Just wait until the downloading process is finished. So now after it's done, you can just open it in your library. Go to downloads and find the Gits that you've already downloaded. Okay, this one right here. Double click to open it, and there will be this pop-up. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just click on yes, and after that you can read the following important information before continuing to install. Just click on next, and after that here is the file location. Click on next again, and this is the components, and there's also additional icon here. After that you can just click on next again. Okay, I'm going to click this next again. Just click on next, then you'll find this install button. Click on install and just wait until the installing process is finished and your Git will be set up. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.